Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
We're back with another shocking story from the world of electric vehicles. And this time, it's about a brazen thief who sawed through cables at an EV charging station in Wednesbury, West Midlands. ElectroDrive News has got the exclusive details on this incredible moment caught on camera. So, it all went down on March 12th, just after 8:30 p.m., when this individual walked into the Decathlon Gallagher retail park and made off with a batch of thick cables from an electric vehicle charging hub. Now, we know what you're thinking. Why would someone do that? Well, experts warn us that thieves are after the copper wiring inside these cables, which can be worth thousands of pounds on the black market. But here's the thing. These cables aren't exactly worth as much as vandals might imagine. The price of copper is what's tempting them, not the cable itself. It's a classic case of targeting the valuable materials inside for personal gain. ElectroDrive News has spoken to industry insiders who say that this kind of theft is becoming increasingly common. We've got footage from the scene showing our culprit in action, brazenly hacking away at the cables before dragging them out of sight of the camera. At one point, he even looks up and realizes he's being filmed by a CCTV camera above his head, leaving us wondering what goes through his mind when he sees himself on screen. The impact of these thefts is significant, not just for the electric vehicle charging network Be.EV, but also for drivers who rely on these stations to charge their cars. As Be.EV puts up 40/50 wanted posters in the area, we want to remind everyone that if you have any information about this individual or similar cases, please come forward. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story and bringing you updates as more information becomes available. In the meantime, it's a stark reminder of how important it is to protect our charging infrastructure and prevent these kinds of thefts from happening in the future.